Today I'll be guiding you through what does quiet mode means on Instagram. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you will get all the information about it. If you are new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. So without any further ado, let's move into it. So before saying about the quiet mode on Instagram, let me show you where do you find the quiet mode. For that, open the Instagram app and tap on profile at the bottom right corner. On the space, tap on three-line menu icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And now tap on notifications. Here on the second option, you can easily see the quiet mode. So it reads automatically mute notifications at night or whenever you need to focus. Let's tap on it, and if you want to toggle on it and turn on the quiet mode, you can easily tap on the button of quiet mode. And here you can also set the start time, end time, as well as the days. So it reads that your status and auto reply will be updated to in quiet mode at night or whenever you need to focus, and you will get a reminder 10 minutes before quiet mode starts. So it works as anybody if that's messaging you on Instagram might see the in quiet mode. So basically messages or alert indicating that this person most likely will not respond to your messages on Instagram because they have turned on the settings where they won't be notified of any messages. So this is what quiet mode means on Instagram. I hope you found this video useful. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.